Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Tavares, and every month I give you the real breakdown of my trading 212 portfolio. This isn't about flexing numbers, it's about showing how consistent investing really works, the ups, the downs, and the lessons along the way. September was a pretty good ride, so let's jump into it. I started September with $1,276 deposited into my account. Let's see how things played out week by week. So here's how September started for me. My portfolio was 1,319, and guess what? And that's a $43 gain, which works out to 6.4% return. Compared to the week before, on August 29th, this is a small progress from $1,314 portfolio value. Now that might not sound like much to some people, but let me tell you, that felt promising. Most banks don't even give you 2% for the whole year. And here I was, already at 6% return since I started investing this year in February. That kind of progress feels like a little spark that lights something inside you. You start realizing, okay, maybe I can build something real here. Maybe all those small, consistent steps are actually paying off. And that's what keeps me motivated. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the feeling of moving forward. Every little gain reminds me that progress is possible. And if I can do it, you can too. By September 12th, my portfolio had grown to $1,334, which means I was up $58, sitting at about 8.5% return. So my account was up $15 from the previous week. Now that right there, that's kind of the push I love to see. Steady growth. It's not some overnight success story. It's just consistency. Doing what consistency does best. I stay using my auto-invest strategy of investing $10 per day despite what's going on in the market. This is where patience really builds. You're not trying to time every move or chase every hype stock. You're just letting the market do its thing while you stay locked in on your goals. My goal right now is to have this portfolio going into my 50s. Now I'm 33, so at least 17 years to go. As an investor, you will have bumps in the way, but when you start to see these small gains add up, you realize, yo, this actually works. That's what keeps me going. Seeing proof that patience, discipline, and a little faith in the process can really build something solid over time. So if you are investing, saving, or just trying to get your finances right, stay consistent. The results will come. By September 19th, my portfolio climbed to $1,340. That's a $64 gain, which worked out to 9.2% return. So compared to the previous week, that's a $6 improvement. That 9.2% was actually the highest return percentage of the month, the real high point for me. And trust me, that kind of week keeps you hyped. You start feeling like, okay, that's it. I see the vision and the real potential of investing. But here's the thing. I had to remind myself, Tavares, don't get carried away by one good number. Because the market, it can humble you real quick. One week you're up, and the next week you're wondering what just happened. And that's why you've got to stay the course. Celebrate the wins, yeah. Enjoy the little rush, but don't lose focus. This goal isn't one good week, it's long-term success. So even when it looks good, I remind myself, keep showing up, keep investing, keep building, because consistency beats excitement every single time. Now here is a key move I made. On September 23rd, I deposited another $162 into my portfolio. This is part of my strategy. Keep topping up consistently, no matter what the market looks like. That fresh injection of cash gave the portfolio a nice boost heading into the final week. Not only did I make my monthly deposit, but I turned on my $10 per day auto invest in Trading 212. So, by September 26th, my portfolio closed at $1,499. That's a total return of $61 with an 8.6% rate of return. Now here's something interesting. My return percentage actually dipped a bit from 9.2% down to 8.6%. And at first, I was like, wait, what happened? But then I remembered that's because of the $162 deposit I made on September 23. See, when you add new money, it changes the math on your percentage. But that's not a bad thing. It means you're investing more, you're building your base, and that's the bigger picture that really matters. Because at the end of the day, I didn't just finish the month with a strong return. I finished it with more value overall. And that's the mindset I think we all should have. Don't just chase percentages. Focus on growth. Every deposit, every little step, that's you planting seeds for the future. The numbers might shift up or down, but as long as you keep adding, learning, and staying consistent, you're going to win over time. So what can we take away from September? Momentum matters. Small wins compound over time, and September started strong. Consistency is the secret weapon. That $162 I put in on the 23rd is proof. I am not waiting for the perfect time. I just invest. Percentages aren't everything. Even though my rate of return dipped at the end, my portfolio grew significantly. That's the real win. So that's the September update. From 1,319 at the start of the month to nearly 1,500 by the end. What do you think? Would you be happy with this performance for September? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how your portfolios did in September. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the October update. Until next time, stay consistent, stay patient, and I'll catch you in the next one.